Skeng and Valiant collaborate on Loyal Gyal song. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Sought after dancehall artists Skeng and Valiant released their first collaborative effort titled Loyal Gyal for the Jiggy Entertainment imprint. The track also featured DJ and hype man Jigsaw, who is credited as the producer for the song. Skeng and Valiant, both currently enjoying the privilege to travel and showcase their brand on the world stage, have been spotted hanging together on social scenes in recent weeks. Many fans have been speculating whether or not a collaboration was in the works. Confirmation came earlier this week by way of a post on Skeng's Instagram account. Fans wasted no time in signaling their approval with more flames emojis than words to Skeng's post. An accompanying video for Loyal Gyal was directed by Shane Creative. Both the song and the video are scheduled to be released simultaneously. Valiant in sharing his thoughts on the project, dubbed Jigsaw commented the DJ Khalid of Jamaica an appreciation after Jigsaw previewed the music video. Valiant, fresh off his Insta-hype cool-out Sunday's performance in Stony Hill, St. Andrew, took his first US trip last week, and since then a string of shows on US soil are being advertised, beginning with his first stop in Miami next month. No stranger to traveling, Skeng and Jigsaw have seamlessly found the formula for success, having previously collaborated on the track Smooth With It for Drop Top Records. Since the release of the song last night in 17 hours, the song have so far rocked up 311,000 views. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Thanks for watching.